Hey guys, Laura here, Mother for Jesus. So I haven't blogged since I had posted all those digital planners. And sometimes I don't create my own planners, I sometimes buy them. Or in this case, sometimes they're just sent to me for free. So DPC Digitals has lots of great planners and notebooks and a lot of stuff she sends you for free if you join her website. She has bi-monthly emails that she sends out with great freebies and notebooks and even bullet journals. So I had gotten this free notebook and I decided to use it to create our family chore charts, zone cleaning, pretty much all in one digital notebook. So the notebook was free. Some of the stickers were free. She, on her website, in her freebie section, she has digital stickers that match that month's set. So you could pretty much start for free, and then if it's something you really like, you can go ahead and purchase. She's got some great stuff. She's very generous. And so some of the stuff you're going to see here I purchased. I'm a big fan of hers, as you can see. And so I have pretty much a lot of her sets, almost, if not all. So on her notebooks, unlike a planner which has like side tabs, her notebooks have 60 linked pages. So what I did was in the first 3 pages, I have our morning, afternoon, and evening chores. And this works well for us because sometimes zone cleaning isn't really going to help us. So we do have that time of the day. We're homeschoolers. We've been homeschooling since before the COVID quarantine. I've been homeschooling for 20 years. So organization helps, trust me. So in the middle section, I have my zone cleaning areas. And so this is when they're cleaning, and I'll send them with their itemized list of what I want them to do in the bathrooms. And so this is great because it saves me from having to repeat myself and keep asking them the same questions over and over. And they come in and they just go ahead and check off what they've done. So I'm using this in a PDF editor called GoodNotes on my iPad. Pretty much any PDF editor these work in. And so, for example, my son, he loves his Switch, but when he's done, he will just check off what he's done, and then I can just come in and erase it. They work my planners better than I do, so it's not an issue. My daughter is 11, my son is 9. So even if you don't want them touching your iPad, they can at least look on the screen and see what they have to do. So, and what's great is they can just, touch it and it takes them to the room that they're cleaning. And so I just give them, little areas. I also decided on the next section, on the third section here, to go with monthly and bi-weekly. This actually is a bigger help for me because my husband and I never really remember when we have changed the air filters. So at the top, because this is a PDF editor, I can just take where I have my June and I can put July for next month, and then I can go ahead and erase all the dates I've written in throughout the month of June. So I have this set up for June already, and so I'm ready to go. But I also have the bi-weekly for myself and for the kids, and I can check off what I've done. So this really helps me to stay on task, and it's sort of a one-stop area for all of it. And I'm sure I'm going to add to this as time goes on. But again, the notebook was free, and there's lots of free notebooks on her website. But go ahead and join her page, DPC Digitals, because she does send out some time-sensitive freebies, and you have to go ahead and download those within a certain amount of time. She's on Facebook as well. She has the DPC Facebook group. She has a fitness group. She has a gamer group, and now she has a recipe group. So go ahead and enjoy, and happy planning.